Hey everyone, one new thing a day. What's new today is the model method of solving math word problems, how it is taught in Singapore. So, as a child, when I had to face the questions which had three variables, I learned solving them using equations. And here they have a different method called model method, which Champ got introduced in grade 3 itself. I mean, from Indian curriculum, he is in grade 4, but according to Singapore curriculum, he's in grade 3. So today I learned this from his maths enrichment class teacher, and I want to share it all with you. I loved it. It's really a wonderful way to solve the problem. This is the question. Three children have a total mass of 114 kgs. Muthu is 18 kgs lighter than Ben. Keith is twice as heavy as Muthu. Find Keith's mass. So there are three variables: weight of Muthu, weight of Keith, and weight of Ben. And they have given us three relationships. With this, we have to find out weight for Keith. If I were to solve it the way I have learned to do it in India, here is how it will be. So as per the equations, I will take three variables: weight of Muthu, weight of Ben, weight of Keith, and with the information from the question, I'll make these three equations. Then I will bring B and K in terms of M and solve the equation for M. M comes out to be 24. Thus, Keith's weight is 2 times M, which is 48 kgs. However, equations are not yet introduced to Champ in school. So, here is a wonderful model method to solve it. Take a look, guys. So, as the question says, Muthu is 18 kgs lighter than Ben. So, this block is pointing to Ben's weight, and this block is pointing to Muthu's weight. Because Muthu is 18 kgs lighter than Ben, so we have drawn this block a little big. Now Keith is 2 times Muthu. So we have just drawn 2 blocks same as Muthu over here. And the total weight of 3 children is 114 kgs. Now we can say Muthu's weight is 1 unit, Ben's weight is 1 unit plus 18. This part is 18. This is also 1 unit, this is also 1 unit. So 4 such units are there. Plus this 18 kg extra is there. So if we remove this 18 kgs, we will have 4 units. So let's remove 18 kgs from here. That is 114 minus 18, which is nothing but 96. So 4 units is equal to 96. Hence, 1 unit is 96 by 4. Essentially, we reach the same equation, but in a different and easier way. Now this 1 unit will be nothing but 24, which is equal to Muthu's weight. From here we can find Keith's weight, which is 2m, which is equal to 48. But isn't it wonderful, this model method? Let me know what you guys think of this model method. And are your kids taught any other method to solve 3 variable problems? Do let me know.